Hi everybody, here we are in downtown Phoenix, and we're making another beautiful video of wood floor sanding, staining, and refinishing project that we're doing. Today is October 10th, 2020, and I simply love downtown Phoenix. It's just an amazing place with all these historical homes that are so unique, just like you and I. Each one is different. They're all the same homes or houses, but they're all different inside. Let's go take a look inside and see what this little treasure has to hide inside. Well, it has to hide a maple wood floor, and the owner is wanting it stained. So we're gonna go ahead and we already sanded it, the maple flooring, and we're gonna stain it depending on the color they choose. We'll know probably by tomorrow. Look at that. That's cool. So that's a seat, and the table is outside, goes right in the middle. And now check this out. That's the original brick that the house is made of. Bricks that are made of clay and hay. Get it? Clay, hay? No, it's not a joke. No, it's for real. It's for real. This is the hay. There's the hay, and they exposed this intentionally, so it looks very cool and unique. All right, let's go take a look at the rest of the house and see what. Oh, that's pretty loud. I'm trying not to talk too much. Nice. And here is the sample stain. As you can see, this is the same stain, which is water pop and not water pop. Water pop up in the grain of the wood. It makes the stain a lot richer, a lot thicker, and this is just on bare wood. The homeowner will let us know what they decide, probably tomorrow. Tomorrow, Sunday, October 11th. This is a beautiful home right here. Oh yeah. Let's go take a look through the rest of the house to see what it looks like. Shall we? Now, this is a bedroom. Probably was a kid's room, boy's room, by the baby blue color. Don't you just love the old style door frames that I had back in the days? I do. I think it's a great place to be. Downtown Phoenix. Let's go ahead and we're gonna have to go around the back so we don't bother the guys. Ooh. Oh yeah. Mira chicharrones, hot and spicy. Let's go ahead and go around the back. As you can see, they have a little casita. These chicharrones are delicious. Okay. They do have a guest house here, which is very cool if you work from home. And this is the laundry. That's the maple flooring. You can see it's been sanded. And that's the pine flooring, which we will not be sanding or refinishing. So they're going to build a door there, extra bathroom, closet, and this is going to be pretty much the master bedroom. And that door they'll be folding and putting the laundry in there. And they'll be putting the laundry door right here. There's the hallway. There's my favorite guy, Danny. Let's see. This is the bathroom. It's the only bathroom, and it's like 3 bedrooms. Hey everybody, welcome to Royal Wood Flooring. Now check this out. Huh? Wow, they work. Look at that. Amazing. Look at. Yeah, believe it or not, they still use these push buttons. Well, the house is from 1930, so that's normal for a house this age, right? And the beautiful arched walkways. What a great place to be in downtown Phoenix. And see, it goes around. There's that beautiful chandelier. And there's another bedroom, all from the kitchen area or office. Here's my favorite part, guys, is the barrel ceiling. I wish you could see it. It must be like 14, 13 feet high. It's just beautiful. They don't make homes like these anymore. Now they're all cookie cutter homes. And they're all in communities. We're all close together, 5 feet away from each other, no privacy. And they all look the same. And people like that, live in a community like sardines. Not us. We like downtown Phoenix. Give us a call today, 602-446-2613, or find us online at www.royalwoodflooring.com. And if you didn't hear before, the vacuum was on, same stain. One is water popped, one is not water popped. So we needed to make a finished sample for the client to see, not on a paper, not on the computer. They need to see the actual finished sample on the wood floor so they can decide what their floors would look like once it's done. These are all different stain samples we'll put for them, and we'll put it for you too if you decide to sand and refinish your wood floors. You can find us online at www.royalwoodflooring.com, or give us a call today at 602-446-2613. Let's go ahead and go back outside and admire this amazing neighborhood. This amazing home is just unique. Unique, 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 just like you and I. Let's see if I can get this open. Let's go a little bit outside. Wow. Planning to buy a new camera to make some better videos. Since the LG AGB, no, it's just the LG phone that I use. Memory just lasts about 5 minutes, and that's about it. Planning to get an Apple 11. Supposedly I can make a 1-hour video, which would be great. I could make longer videos, record more, and show you a little more of the jobs we do here in downtown Phoenix. As you can see, it's a wonderful neighborhood. It's safe. It's not a ghetto like it was about 15 years ago. Downtown Phoenix is becoming very desirable. So I think that one was about 600,000 and some change, and that's what they go for around here, the homes. And they're well worth it. You're in the heart of the city, no traffic, going outbound in the morning. It's wonderful. I'm driving about 70, 75 out, and people coming in the downtown area are pretty much in a parking lot. It's a traffic jam every morning coming on I-17, I-51, I-10, the 202, and people do that every day and drive an hour and a half in the morning, an hour and a half back home, and spend pretty much, 15, 20 hours a week, just in their car. For what reason? So they could say that they live in this community or that community. I'll take Central Phoenix over any other community where I'm not told what kind of tree to plant, what color to paint my house, what I can and I can't do. That's what a community is. That's what you pay for. Association fees, $200-300 a month. So you could be told what to do and how to do it and what not to do. Over here in Central Phoenix, you could plant any kind of cactuses you want, any kind of trees you want, any kind of landscape you want, and nobody really bothers you. Look at this, we got 3 different kind of cactuses here. I don't know what that prickly thing is, but it looks pretty cool to me. And the thorns look pretty sharp on it too, so I'm not gonna get too close. I wish I knew what that was, and I could tell you. But if you know what it is, you tell me. Write it down in the link. And this, like a spaghetti cactus to me. Same thing. Nice, big, huge thorns that are very nice and sharp. Probably dangerous too if you get too close. Man, and you have 2-3 more species of cactus here. This is another one. Same thing. Nice and sharp. Nice and sharp thorns. And I think this is a native cactus for Arizona. Very cool. And this is probably another different species of cactus. Let's see. Nice sharp thorns. Oh no, those are baby thorns. Wow. Now, you got a pretty much, this is called a desert landscape. Arizona desert landscape. Look at that. That's pretty cool. I guess this is some kind of a dried up cactus. But let's keep going. Let's go see what else we find down the block. And amazing that the memory held for almost 10 minutes now. Another unique home. Oh, I think we did this home. We did this home about 4 or 5 years ago. We sanded and refinished the floors here. So pretty much that's about all I'm gonna say in this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you liked watching our videos with the refinishing projects that we do here in Central Phoenix. And stay till next time when we'll have another video for you. Hopefully we'll do one after the stained maple flooring is done. Until then, enjoy life.